how to make dollars online in South Africa or earn US dollar in South Africa. We all know that US dollars is the strongest currency compared to some other currency in Africa. If you are living in the country where the US dollar is stronger than your currency, it will be a good idea to earn some dollars online to boost your earning or even replace your primary income. I'm currently staying in South Africa and $1 is equal to 19.67 rand. The average salary according to Salary Explorer is around 31,000 rand, which is around 1,600 US dollars. Most of the people who are earning 31,000 rand are not in the entry-level career. They have some experience and are mostly managers. The entry-level earn around 80,000, which is $400. It can be a bit easy to make $400 online with your laptop and internet connection if you know the right platform. In this video, I will show you how you can earn US dollars in your free time. I'm going to show you 5 ways to earn US dollars online in South Africa. What you will learn here, you can apply everywhere and earn dollars, whether you are in Zimbabwe, Zambia, Tanzania, and the rest of Africa. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm an internet marketer and online entrepreneur. I'm the owner of thewealthyacademy.com. I give tips and training on how to make money online. I also review other programs and video on this channel to help you in your decision making. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get my notification. You can also find all the links for everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. One reason to subscribe to my channel, you will never be broke again, and my channel will help you to avoid scam online. I will start with the easiest way and end up with the challenging one that can help you to build a really online business and earn dollars online. The first way and the easy to earn US dollar online in South Africa is to complete survey online and other macro tasks. You can sign up with Survey Time, Tambax, and Ysense to complete survey online. I know survey sites do not pay much, but if you know how to utilize those platforms, you won't miss making $400 per month, which is around 8,000 rand in South Africa. I have to be honest here. It is hard to make 8,000 per month on those platforms unless you are very active and you know how to utilize their affiliate program. With Survey Time, you can also sign up to Survey Ambassador program and earn $1 for everyone you refer to sign up for Survey Time. On Survey Time, there is no minimum payout. You will get your money every 20-30 minutes of each completed survey. You can see Survey Time has a good rating on Trustpilot. You can cash out to PayPal, Coinbase, and Amazon gift card. The best way to make money with Survey Time or any survey platform is through their affiliate program. Completing surveys can be a bit challenging because they are looking for a specific target audience, which means you won't qualify for every survey. But with the affiliate program, you just need to refer as many people as you can and earn $1 for every successful referral. To maximize your earnings, you can be a blogger or create content on YouTube to tell people more about Survey Time. You can also use TikTok to reach many people and earn money from every successful referral. You can also sign up with similar sites like Tambax, Ysense, Swambax to increase your online earnings. You can find all the links to those sites in the description box. The second way to earn US dollars online is through Transcription Platform. You can become a transcriptionist by signing up with Ref.com. Ref.com is the online marketplace that connects freelancers, individuals that need transcription, caption, and translation services. Ref.com provides you with work that you can complete from anywhere in the world. You can sign up with Ref.com for free as a transcriptionalist. As you can read here, here, from audio to video transcription, you can earn 0.3 to $1.10 per minute, and for caption, you can earn 0.54 to $1.10 per minute. Rev.com has a community over 70,000 freelancers who get paid to caption, transcribe, and subtitle content. You can work from anywhere and choose the jobs that interest you. Again, Rev.com has an affiliate program. This is the best way to earn even more with Rev.com. As you can read here, spread the word and earn big in Rev's affiliate program. Earn up to $40,000 per referral with minimum using trackable links. You can refer Rev.com to people who need transcription service and get paid a commission per new paying customer. If you get 10 clients per month who need a transcription service, and you will make $400 per month, which is 8,000 rand, and you will fall into a lower earning salary category in South Africa. But there is a lot of potential to make more money with the Rev affiliate program. Once you earn some experience, you can offer the same service on Fiverr.com. As you can see how much people charge here for transcription service. This one has done 774 jobs, and she has 4 jobs in the queue. The third way is to sign up as a freelancer on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is the online marketplace for freelancer services. You can sign up with Fiverr.com as a freelancer and provide any service of your choice. As you can read here, work your way, you bring the skill, we will make earning easy. You can also see the price range from $5 up to $10,000. You can read here, join our growing freelancer community. I'm a designer, I'm a developer, I'm a writer, I'm a musician. How does Fiverr work? Create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig and offer your work to our global audience. Deliver great work, get notified when you get a order, and use our system to discuss details with customers. Get paid on time every time. Payment is transferred to you upon on order completion. Here I'm inside Fiverr.com. You can see people are offering different services on this platform. This is by far the best way to earn dollars online right here in South Africa, and you can make a lot of money as a freelancer if you dedicate your time to this platform and offer quality service. As a freelancer, you have the potential to be on the average or a higher earning. Also, as the affiliate program, as you can see here, boost your earning by driving traffic to Fiverr. Promote the leading marketplace for freelancer services. Get paid to drive traffic is that easy. The fourth way to earn US dollars is through trading. I'm not a really fan of trading due to many scams that are happening online and the risk of losing money. But there is a lot of potential to make a lot of money with forex trading. If trading is your passion and you want to learn how it works, you can learn step by step how to trade online by signing up with forexsignals.com. You can sign up for their free trial to test the program. You can see they also have a good rating on Trustpilot. This proves that they are legit. Wait, there is more. You can also earn some dollars on this platform as the affiliate. Join the Forex Signals affiliate program and earn like a legend. Here is what we pay out to our affiliate last month. We will pay you a 10% recurring commission on all your referral subscription. If you refer 100 people to forexsignals.com, you will earn $1,900. The more people you refer to this platform, the more money you make. As you can see, $1,900 per month puts you already in the average earning salary in South Africa. Forexsignals.com is the education platform that can teach you how to trade online and minimize your risk of losing money. Although this is not my favorite way to earn dollars online, I will advise you to sign up only if you are passionate about forex trading. The fifth way to earn dollars online is through affiliate marketing. As you can see, all the platforms that I show you here have an affiliate program. You can join Amazon, ClickBank, or Digistore24 and pick any product you like and promote it and earn commission for every sale you make. It's called affiliate marketing. You can make decent money as the affiliate marketer. Almost every company that sells product online have an affiliate program. All you need is to pick up a product that you like and promote it on different platforms online. If you are an accountant, you can refer people to an accounting software like Surge and earn 7% commission, and the best part, you can earn recurring commission. Whether you are a designer, IT technician, fitness coach, or just have a passion of food, you can find an affiliate program and make money as an affiliate. To succeed in this business model is to choose a niche, a specific category of people who are looking for a certain product. Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, and if you master this business model, you can build a stream of income. Some affiliates are making six-figure online with affiliate marketing using a laptop and internet connection. This is what I do, and if you want to know how affiliate marketing works, check out the link in the description for the step-by-step guide to help you understand how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. But I have to warn you, I'm not promoting any overnight success or a get-rich-quick scheme. Making money online or offline need time and determination. Tell me in the comment which of those ways you will try first and why. Therefore, if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and videos about how to make money online. Thank you for watching. Until next time.